So it is Friday, 12:41, and I'm, in a little athleisure kind of outfit today. Got my little Vans and this cute little outfit I got from Aerie like a while back. It's like got like a really cool like leathery print on it. Just ran some errands, picked up some products from Ulta, and then I picked up a blush from Sephora for all for my makeup kit. Super cute stuff. And now we're at OMG Donuts. So I want to share what kind of products I picked up because I'm really excited, to be quite honest. Picked up 2 ColourPop palettes. I picked up the That's Taupe and then Feeling Bubbly. Probably going to be bringing these to the wedding gig I have tomorrow. Like, here's these shades. Really pretty taupes. I honestly really love this shade. That's what really sold me, was Slated. But I'm excited to try this out because I do love taupe, and it was actually like the first shade that I ever got as makeup when I was I think when I was in middle school. My mom, like, we always went to Clinique, and like at Clinique they have these little, if I can find it I'll put it up over here, but essentially they're like these little like shadow duos. Like, one's a rectangle, one's a square. Mine was like a taupey shade and then like a darker taupe, kind of like those two in it, and I would wear that all the time. That started my my love of eyeshadows. Oh my god. Okay, well, it's already dirty. What happened? Weird. Anyway, this is Feeling Bubbly. Did someone like swatch it? No. Okay. I do not know what happened, but this is the Are you serious? Maybe I'll go home and try to repress it. It's literally all in my mom's. It's on the lid of her Yeti. And it's in my car. I'm getting my kit ready for tomorrow morning. I'm helping out with the wedding and I'm super excited. I'm actually putting all of the stuff that I bought all together. So I've already kind of started doing it, where I started separating my brushes in these pouches. So happy that they all fit. This is great. There's like 2 brushes so far that have been oddly taller than the rest, so they've been fitting a little weird, but for the most part I have plenty of space. So I already labeled one of them. I don't know if you can see it. And we're done. I've got them all basically organized, but I have my labels all right here, so we're gonna stick them on. What my plan is to take this right here and put them all in. So I'm just going to open it up, pull out the strap. I think I'm done with my label maker, so I'm gonna go ahead and turn it off. Set that there. We're gonna pull out the dividers. The dividers are great, but for this hack, they're not needed. Oh, okay. So you're making it harder than it was supposed to be. I plan on doing is putting them in the order of how I do makeup. So let's see. I think I'm gonna have like first step, last step. So here it is, the whole organization together. Looks really Nice. Good morning, everyone. So today is Saturday and I am on my way. Oh my gosh, I forgot my watch. I always forget something. But I'm on my way to the wedding. Was rushing just a little bit, so that's great. We love that. I meant to show you guys like how it all looked once I finished packing, but obviously time management skills are not the best. They're being worked on, so I couldn't show it to you guys, but maybe I'll try to get a little video of it when I get to the venue, since I'm going to be getting there like kind of early. So I feel like all of this prepping, like I for some reason feel super like confident in how it all is going to play out. I just hate that I don't have my watch, because the whole point of my watch was used as a stopwatch to kind of keep time managing me. But I'm super excited. This is going to be super fun. I get to meet Maddie. It's going to be great. Okay, so I just pulled in. You can't really see anything because there's a truck there, but it's actually really cute. I just pulled in, so I think I'm going to try and just show you like a little bit of a peek of what my makeup kit looks like, because who knows what it's gonna look like after this. I think I'm doing 3 girls. I'm gonna check the itinerary one more time, but just in case, I brought enough for 4, because I remember when we were first talking, there was the possibility of maybe me doing 4. So better have it than not. It's 9:40, so I'm probably gonna start heading in pretty soon, and I'll just show you a quick sneak peek of everything. Okay, so here is all the brushes, and I have just them in order of the way I basically will do like the makeup. All that little extra space, I put the lip liners in there. I know it's a lot. I'm gonna narrow it down because a lot of them are pretty similar to where I don't need to have that many. I have my palettes in here with my spatulas, decant. I have my lipsticks that I haven't depotted yet in here with a clear gloss and a lip sharpener. Then I have my little makeup eraser towel to wipe my hand or whatever, the palettes. Then I have my sanitation stuff in here. I wasn't able to shrink this down to where I didn't have to bring this one, but I have significantly shrink down my stuff from the last time I've had to do a client. But here's my silicone mat, my trash can, the little goodie bags for my clients, antiseptic stuff, brush cleaner, and of course rubbing alcohol and hand sanitizer. So that all goes in here. Got my mirror, got my fan. Up here is gonna have my eyeshadows and lashes. I have my skin prep, primers, concealer, foundation, color correctors, cream bronzers, cream blush, cream highlight, setting powders right here. That lid is a little loose. Okay. That here. Then I've got powder, blush, bronzer, and highlight here. Setting spray, my angled liner pencil, 4 eyeliners. Got my eyeliners, brow stuff here, disposables. Here's another little palette. My lips right here. And then in here, I just have like the rest of the stuff. So like eyelashes, stuff, little hair piece, the whole hair bag, my mascara, and the brow pencil. Sorry, I'm gonna get better at angling. But yeah, here's all this. That's not gonna be used, but yeah. And then I have my chair and I have my ring light. So we shall see. But I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna text her real quick. Okay, we're done. We did it. Oh, okay. They gave me Chick-fil-A. Really sweet of them. Okay, we are done. I look a little disheveled, but it's okay. I'm not supposed to look great. I'm supposed to look decent and make everybody else look great. They were so freaking sweet. First of all, Maddie, the artist, super sweet. Love her a lot. Can't wait to work with her again. I think I have a wedding with her next week. She's booked and busy, and you fell into my Chick-fil-A. The looks came out beautiful. I got videos, so I can't wait to show you guys. I love it. The girls, I did like a really pretty soft eye on them, like with the soft glam palette, and then one of the ColourPop palettes I bought yesterday. And then for the mom, the bride, she was like, I have a pink dress. I love pink. I love glitter. I love sparkle. All that. And I was like, oh, I knew I should have packed sparkle. So I was going for a softer look because I just assumed maybe everybody, because like I always bring too much, and I bring maybe like too much like sparkles and stuff, and not really many people want that, but like she wanted it, so I finagled. But it looked really, really good. We did a pink eye on her. I used my blushes, my cream blushes, and my regular blush, because I was like, these palettes I had don't have pink in it. Came out great. Love her look. I'm actually really obsessed. It might be my favorite one of the day. Obviously, change of scene. A lot happened that day. Essentially, you know, we had the wedding, right? I was gonna do a video telling you guys about the rest of my day, but like I had a sinus headache, and when they get too bad, they turn into a tension headache, and then that can kind of trigger my like nausea and dizziness and like needing to feel like I need to throw up. And I was gonna tell you the rest of the story, so I'm gonna do that right now. So the rest of the story was, you know, they were doing their hair. It looked great. Like everybody's hair was coming out so pretty. Like they did a really beautiful like updo on the bride, and then they did like some really pretty curls on them, and then like kind of pinned it back or did some form of a style with it. I was talking to the mom of the bride, and she was telling me, yeah, so our hairstylist canceled on us like really last minute. And I was like, are you serious? She goes, and I knew it was gonna happen because I guess maybe they know her like friend wise. I'm not sure. I didn't ask that many questions on it, but apparently like she knew that the hairstylist's family, like her parents, had a lake house. It's the Labor Day weekend. You know, she verified with her though, like, are you sure? Like, you know, this is Labor Day weekend. You know, are you still able to do it? You know, just want to know. Girl's like, yeah, of course I can do this. Like, you know. Then she basically told her that she can't do it anymore because her dad won't let her. And she was like, she's 28 years old. And super, super unprofessional to just quit on someone last minute, and let alone not even find someone to take your place for the event. That's the least she could have done. I thought that was wild, but they were just so sweet, down to earth, loved them so much. They gave me food. I thought that was really sweet of them. And then after that, I went to a convention. It was a Puerto Rican convention. I feel like the convention was okay. Had a few kinks. It could have been better. Just drama, you know what I mean? Like, it just too much drama. But yeah, so that really just wraps up, you know, the second week of esthetician school and life. So I thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.